Okay, so the ammo testing continues in search of the perfect self-defense round for the Ruger LC9. My latest testing is going to be on these two here. I saw a YouTube video from God, Guns, and Glory or something like that that talked about this ammunition. So the Civil Defense by Liberty ammunition, I looked into it right away and was very interested. This is a really lightweight projectile. It looks like a machined bullet. I don't know what it is. I probably should have scratched it or something. It's plated with something. Is it copper? I don't know, but it sure is light. And then I've gotten fairly good results from the ARX, but this is the plus P version, so it's traveling at a higher velocity. Maybe that'll do a better wound cavity. But I'm going to get some ballistic gelatin together and test it out with a couple layers of denim, and we'll see what happens. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, folks, I'm going to shoot two shots. The first two shots are going to be without the denim. The first shot is going to be the Inceptor ARX 9mm. It's a 65 grain plus P. And then the second is going to be the 50 grain ultra high velocity Civil Defense by Liberty. Well, you can see that the Inceptor ARX plus P really did a much better job than the non-plus P. I've shot the normal pressure ARX quite a bit, and it would never give the wound channel like this one did. It had a good primary, and it even did a secondary. So, and look at here, this Civil Defense one was pretty wicked, and it looks like it fragmented into pieces. I see copper there, so it looks like it's just a zinc-plated copper. Okay. Let's try 4 layers of denim. Let's really give this Civil Defense round a handicap. Oh, you know what? I'm going to have to place a little weight on that. Keep that there. Okay, be right back. Okay. Alright, once again, we're going to shoot the ARX non-expanding round first, and then the Civil Defense next. Okay. ARX, no surprise. Really, the denim had no effect on it. Went to the very end of the block Okay. Civil defense. It broke into little pieces. It did some pretty violent damage. And the base seems to just, it bounced off the bottom. It'll take me a little time to recover all these pieces. You can see that's a machined bullet. Kind of looks like it's copper. Zinc-plated copper. Well, folks, I don't know. What do you think? The denim didn't seem to really stop the civil defense. I'm kind of liking the Plus P ARX. Okay, well, food for thought. I'll do some accuracy tests next to see if one or the other has an advantage in accuracy. Okay, next time for that. Alright, guys. Well, here's our little terrorist here. I don't have a more appropriate target because I ran out of them, and this is all I had. But this is a little harder to see, but I'll point it out. So here was the standard pressure 65 grain ARX shot from my Ruger LC9. As you can see, it's a pretty good, from about like 20 yards. Pretty good group there. Then there's the Plus P version of the ARX. Again, pretty similar group. And then we go to the civil defense, which is quite a radical bullet. It's 50 grain, 2,000 feet per second, high energy displacement, you know, very violent in the very beginning, but the penetration is a little bit less. When traveling through 4 layers of denim, the base only made it about 10 inches. And you can see the grouping was like really pretty nice and tight, but I was holding the target, the sight right here. And you can see it definitely, see I'm right-handed, and really snappy loads seem to kind of pull my gun to the left. And so that's a little bit of a disadvantage. I mean, I guess I could calibrate the gun to shoot that particular type of ammunition, but I'm starting to think that the Plus P ARX might be the best round for my Ruger LC9. But you know, there's still more, there's more ammunition types that I want to try. And I'll report back to you on what I discover. Okay, till next time. Thank you. Bye.